of you are struggling with these questions. You're making mistakes. You're not getting all of the numbers. So I wanted to talk to you about a quicker, easier way to do this. There's two ways we might do this kind of problem. So we have that they must choose between 55 and 101. That's a multiple of 3, 6, and 7. I see a lot of you are listing multiples, and that's fine. But if you're going to do that, start with the multiples of 7, the highest number, and then check the other two. So after 55, the next multiple of 7 is 56. And also, we should be smart here because anything that 3 goes into, or anything that 6 goes into, 3 will also go into. So I really just have to check 7 and 6. So 56, 6 does not go into 56. Next one is 63. 6 does not go into that. Next one is 70. 6 does not go into 70. And 77. 6 does not go into 77. Then 84. Now that's a possibility because it's even. And it's divisible, and then when you add those up, 8 plus 4 is 12. So I'm guessing that 6 goes into 84. And as I check, I can verify, yes, in fact, 6 does go into 84. And I'll keep going. 91 is odd, so 6 won't go into that. 98 is not divisible by 3 because 9 plus 8 is 17. That doesn't divide by 3. And then we're beyond our list. So the only one that works here is 84. So here's one way to do it. You can list multiples, but start with the multiples of the highest number and then just check the other ones. So that's one way. Another way we can do this is to look at the least common multiple of these three things. So the least common multiple of 3, 6, and 7 is 42. So 3 again goes into 6. 6 and 7 are only one away from each other. So it's going to be the product of those. So if I start listing the multiples of 42 plus 42 is 84. 84 and 42 is 126. So between 55 and 101, the only one that falls in there is this 84. So you can either list the multiples of the highest one and check the other two, or find the least common multiple and then just start listing the multiples of the least common multiple and find the ones that fall between those numbers. Hopefully that tip will help save you some maybe small mistakes and also some time.